Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. Welcome to my Theory Tuition series where we're working together step by step through each of the ABRSM Theory grades. There are lots of resources available to help you if you go to my website. If you visit sharonbill.com, you'll find some free PDF information sheets and you can download those in US letter or A4 to accompany each step of this series. You'll find a page there with links to all of my YouTube video tutorials, and you can also find information about the books that I have available. I've written an exam technique guide, how to take your ABRSM Music Theory Exam. It's full of tips and hints on how to best prepare for your exam and also how to make the best use of your time come exam day when you're actually working through your exam paper. So if you go to sharonbill.com, you'll find it's all there. If you can give me a like, that would be really fab, and please do subscribe to my channel to stay updated. Please do share out the videos. And now we're going to continue with paper C of the 2018 grade 5 practice papers. So if you turn with me to page 20, we'll have a look at question 5. So we're going to look at these scales questions now. Now if you've done your circle of fifths, if you quickly sketch out your circle of fifths, all of your thinking is pretty much done with this little part of the paper here. If you're not sure how to work out your circle of fifths, which will give you all of your major and minor key signatures, if you look in the cards and in the description box, you'll find a link to my tutorial explaining all about that circle of fifths. So that takes a lot of the pressure of thinking off you, and you can just refer to this at your leisure without getting all confused. So then, we need to write the key signature of 3 flats. So 1 flat is B flats, 2 flats is B flats, E flats, 3 flats is B flats, pencil needs sharpening, B flats, E flats, A flats, positioned in the bass clef. And we need to make this key the descending harmonic minor. So it's not the major key, it's the related minor key. This would be E flat major or C minor. So we're going to be working in C minor, and they want the harmonic version. So we are descending, we need to start quite high and come down. So I'm going to start on middle C, and that'll give me plenty of room to step down. Now scale literally means step. So we're coming down in step, working down this ladder system of the stave. So it's line, space, line, space, line, space, line, space. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an octave. We're using whole notes or semibreves, so there's no need to worry about stems. So that's pretty nearly done. Now the harmonic minor has the 7th degree of the scale raised. Now don't forget, because we're descending, you can't go 1, 2, 3, 4, because actually we're going backwards. So we're going 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 8, 7, this is the 7th. At the moment it's a B flat, so you can't just put a sharp sign. That would be raising it twice. If you look, B flat, if you raise it to B sharp, you've actually raised it twice. It's a B flat and we need to raise it 1 semitone by getting rid of the flat sign or the key signature by adding a natural sign. So B natural is your raised 7th. There we go. And that's that soon done. Let's look at this next one. So again, we're using semibreves, whole notes, so no need to worry about stems. This time we are ascending and we're writing a major scale that begins on this given note. And we don't use a key signature, but we need to put in the accidentals. Now this is F sharp, so F sharp major, the enharmonic to G flat major. When we're talking about F sharp major, it's F, C, G, D, A, E sharps. Now if you've done your circle of fifths, you've already figured that out, so that wouldn't be any trouble at all. You've already done your thinking. But interestingly, if you notice, in a major scale key where it's sharps, the last sharp is all the 7th degree. E sharp to F sharp, 7 to 8. So the last sharp is always the 7th of the scale. I remember my music teacher in my A-levels saying, if sharps there be, the last is T. It took me years to realise what she meant. There we go. It was a really helpful tip, if only I could have heard it back then. But there we go. So I'm just going to get the blobs in place. So we're going to go, look, space, line, space, line, space, line, space, line. Now then, if you're happy with the treble clef, you can just pop your sharps in straight away. If you're not used to reading treble clef, it depends which instrument you play, which instrument you're comfortable with. If you find it tricky, you can always just sketch out the letters underneath. We know we're starting on F sharp, just work that one out and then just step up the scale. And then the thinking's done. So we need F sharps. We begin and end on F sharp, so there'll be 2 of those. C sharps. I do it in order of the key signature, that way I know I'm not going to miss something rather than in order of the steps of the scale. So F, C, G, D, A sharps, E sharps, which leaves us, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. Yep, there we go. So that leaves us with 1 natural. So that's soon done. There we go then. That's the end of that question. We'll look at the next questions in the next video. I do hope this is helping you with your studies. I hope that you're enjoying it. I'm certainly enjoying working through it with you. If you can give me a like, that would be really fab. And please do subscribe to my channel to keep updated. Please share out the videos too. And also please do visit sharonbill.com and make use of all of the resource and information that's available there to help you. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.